Wah, wah, wah. Tire fell off the rim. Well, it didn't exactly fall off. I kind of pushed it off. So this can sometimes happen with tires on vehicles, but especially small equipment and wheelbarrows and tractors and all that kind of stuff. Four-wheelers, little tires this seems to happen more. What happens is the tire gets low, and then you're running along and don't notice it, and it will come off of the rim. In my case, I don't think the tire was really low, but I was dumping some wood in a wood pile, and the tires got turned sideways, and I think a log just pushed on it just right and broke the bead. So it's not that big of a deal. We can get this fixed up in short order. So let me show you how to get the tire popped back on the rim and aired back up, and we'll get it all tested out, make sure everything's good to go here. And the trick really is just use a ratchet strap. So all we really need to do here is force the edge of the tire back over to the bead. So actually there's a little ridge on the inside of the rim there. And once it gets forced over to that spot, when we put air in it, it's gonna pop the tire back onto the edge of the rim here. So that's all we need to do. So I do that by squishing the tire with a ratchet strap. That's got it forced down there pretty good. So let's see if we get some air in it. Now this is a good time to have a compressor that has a decent amount of pressure. And it's really handy if you actually have a nozzle that clamps onto the stem, but I don't have that, of course. Okay, you can see air still coming out. So we need to strap it down a little more. There we go. It's gonna pop. Okay, so it hasn't seated yet, so I can still see there's a gap here that's gonna pop over in just a second, but I gotta release a little pressure on my strap, or all of it, and keep filling. It's gonna pop over the edge. There we go, that's it. Go back on the bead, all the way around. So these are 34 PSI. One of the primary reasons that this probably popped off the bead is because I must have let the tire pressure must have been low in these. It got cold, and I forgot to check them again. A lot of times it gets cold here, and you really gotta check all your tires when it's below freezing. So that's it. Back in business. So just a quick video today. Hopefully some of you guys picked up a tip that will help you out on the homestead. I know this one has helped me out quite a few times with all of our various equipment. Now, if it were one of the big tires, the bigger tractor tires, I have never had one of those come off the rim, so this is generally for smaller tires. It will work for car tires. It will work for anything that you can get a ratchet strap around and get enough force on to cinch that down. So bigger ratchet straps obviously going to work better for bigger tires, smaller ones on smaller tires. So hopefully this helped somebody out there. Of course, hit thumbs up, share it with somebody out there who you might think would benefit from this as well. Subscribe to the SSL Family Dad channel if it's your first time here. We'd love to have you tag along. Lots of homesteading and DIY things going on around here. We'd love to have you tag along for all of those things. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.